How to make Spotify louder. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can actually make your Spotify louder, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to make your Spotify louder, the songs that you're listening are not loud enough for you, first of all just try to check if your volume is set to the max level, because if you want to make Spotify louder, first of all just make sure that your very own media volume is set to the maximum level if you like, because sometimes that could also be the issue. Another thing is that if your phone supports Dolby Atmos or not, because on my Samsung phone we do have the Dolby Atmos support. We can just tap on it and set this to music mode while listening music, but I just like it having to auto. Another thing to check over here is when you open the Spotify application over here, just go ahead and open it up. Just make sure to tap the profile icon from here and go to settings and privacy, and from here onwards you can set different sorts of audio settings over here. One of the settings that I want you to turn off is this normalized volume. If this is turned on, just make sure to turn this thing off, because this is going to set the same volume to all the songs. Another thing over here is that if you're having the issue only with one of the songs and not the other songs, so if you're listening a song, it has a really low volume, but if you listen to other songs it has a loud volume, in that case the issue is not from Spotify app, it could be definitely from your song directly, because it's coming in a really low volume, or maybe your phone speaker is not that loud enough that the volumes are coming very low. So hope this video helped you understand the question. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.